If you're using a traditional broadcast ENG camera equipped with gold mount style batteries, chances are you can harness your battery to power additional items such as an on-camera light, external streaming encoder, wireless microphone receiver, and more. That's because these cameras offer PTAP or DTAP ports, often on the battery plate or on the batteries themselves. From there, you can either add a splitter or run a cable to your peripherals. Just do the math to make sure you're not overloading your power source. If you're lucky, you may find that the same cable can be shared between multiple sources, such as keeping this streaming encoder from live view with an internal battery topped off, and then switching to power an external LED lighting fixture. By the way, if you want the very best mount to prevent accessories such as external displays and lighting equipment from swaying or loosening up, be sure to check out the Z American arm from Zacuto. Additionally, you may find your camera system has a 12-volt DC power out port that you can use to adapt to other external devices as well. To cut down on even more wiring, see if your camera system offers slot-in control for wireless microphone receivers. If it does, you'll be able to match up the appropriate connector plate to power and control your wireless microphone receivers from within the camera's audio menu. No more need to route external cables, freeing up additional audio input connectivity. While you're looking at slots, did you know there is even a slot that can be used to mount and hold a reporter's ENG microphone? The pouches on the shoulder case rain cover also double as a great storage location. For instance, you can store warm cards that help you cheat the white balance. And speaking of the shoulder case, the zipper in the rear makes a great accessory attachment point. In this case, a microfiber cleaning cloth is the perfect accessory always available in case the lens needs cleaning. Be sure to check these features out the next time you're working with an ENG camera and get the most efficient experience out of your setup. Have a hack of your own? Share it in the comments below.